Okay, so now we got another package. This one is for Amazon. I think this is the swing arm extensions for the rear, for the bike that you're looking at in the background. This is the box, so I'm gonna open it real quick and show you what's the inside of it. I got it for Amazon Prime. It took like 2 days to get here. I live in Arizona, so it was kind of quick in a way. This is basically just a normal box. This is the box that the extensions come in. So it's the swing arm extensions. So you can see there's the package, has some foam wrap, and let's get them out. So that's about it. No more things inside. Just gonna put it aside. And let's open it real quick. Just for the left and right. And got that one. And we got another one. I don't like to stretch bikes. It's not my style. I'm more into the MotoGP bikes, World Superbike, but I also dig the look of them. But one of my friends suggested that he wanted to do something different on his bike, so we end up, oh shit, well, there's one of the bolts fly. Anyways, so this is the left side, right side, and no, okay. This is the right side. This one has the groove, I think for the what is it called? The caliper bracket. That's it. Has these, the blocks, adjuster bolt blocks on both sides. So it also has the plates for the thing that go in the middle, so you can press them towards the swing arm and put some Loctite in them. But yeah, that's about it. There's nothing too fancy or too crazy. This is for the left side, and that's about it. As you can see, something simple, but hopefully when it's done it looks good. This is the adjuster bolt that you have to put back in, and you put everything back, and I think this one goes like this. So I don't know, I just figure it out when I'm working on them. So see you in the next video, and hope you like it. Stay tuned.